What's going on, guys? We got something else for the interior today. We got some more carbon fiber. We got the whole center console piece from Dyna Performance. This is just an overlay, and that's not the actual center console. We're not replacing the entire thing. We're just an overlay. It's just a sticker, pretty much. You got this for the shifter. And then we got this little piece right here. And then this just goes around the whole entire center console. Dude, that looks so good, bro. And then this right here goes around the chrome trimming. Sheesh. See, like, I can see a little better. But yeah, man, let's put it on. Alright, so first we want to clean this up real quick. So we're using some rubbing alcohol. And yeah, put some on the rag and just wipe it down. Let's do it. So that should be good. Let's get the overlay on there. Alright, so let's get this. This goes this way. Okay, so let's start peeling this off. He doesn't want to really stick on here. No, this part does. This part. Yeah, that part doesn't want to stick for some reason. Alright, so these pieces go right there. Let me put this in the light. Man, it looks really good. Yeesh. Looks pretty good. Shine the light right here. It's just this piece right here, man. It doesn't want to stick. But everything else came out pretty good. yeah guys, this is how it looks. It looks really good, way better than stock for sure. I wish I would have continued to this side, but oh well. And then this is a steering wheel, looking good like always. Sheesh.